Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are going to learn how to register on Fiverr as a freelancer. Firstly, you need to go in Google search and write Fiverr. Now click on the link. Here you are on the Fiverr website. Now click on join on the top right of the screen. Here you have to enter your email in order to sign up on Fiverr. So I'm going to enter my email. Now once you have entered the email, now you have to put in your unique username and password. Let me set it up. Now click on join. And there you go, your Fiverr account has been made. Now you have to go to your email and verify your Fiverr account. Click on activate your account. There you have it, your Fiverr account has been made. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.